Now let's look at prior. So just practice pronouncing that word. Prior, prior, prior. So again, prior means before. Prior means before. It's exactly the same meaning. Before, prior, exactly the same meaning. So it's the same as the last one. So prior follows with the simple past. So it's exactly the same as before. Now, one thing about prior is we have to do prior to verb ing. So we say prior to working. And there's no subject here. We don't include a subject. We don't say, we don't put any subject in there. So again, remember that past perfect always tells us that this happened first. So let's look at the first example. Prior to signing the contract, I had read the conditions. So which one happened first? Signing the contract, reading the conditions. So this one happened first, had read the conditions. And you can see that we know who's doing the signing from the second part of this sentence. So it's the I. So this I will always tell us who's doing it. So at the beginning of the sentence, prior to signing the contract, we don't know who's doing it. We have to wait for this part here, which is the I. Let's look at the next one. Prior to finishing this part, he had asked for help. So which one happened first, finishing this part or asking for help? So this one happened first, had asked. So because it's past perfect, we know that it happened first. And again, so we read this first part prior to finishing this part. So right now we don't know who's finishing it. We have to wait until we get here to know who's doing it, which is he. Okay, and last one. So this time, again, we can put prior in the middle, and it's the same structure. So he had ordered the papers prior to speaking to me. So which one happened first, ordering the papers or speaking to me? So this one happened first. We know because it's got the past perfect.